Unlimited Network Security provides a multi-layered approach to prevent, detect, and remediate threats from entering your network, compromising your web and email traffic, and exploiting weaknesses in your network and endpoints. Unlimited Network Security is built for small and medium businesses to be easy to use and affordable for SMB budgets and teams. Small and medium businesses are at the forefront of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity research shows that 66% of SMBs are experiencing cyber attacks, and IT security continues to be the top of IT priorities for SMBs. It is also clear that simply deploying basic antivirus and spam filters is not enough to deal with today's threats. IT security attacks come from many directions. SMBs need a multi-layered approach. Unlimited Network Security keeps your customers, employees, and data safe with 3 walls of protection. It stops hackers by securing your network, your traffic, and your endpoints. It offers the capabilities you need with one simple value-price subscription. Securing your network perimeter is predominantly delivered by Careo Control. It shows the solution's simplicity, vital for small and medium businesses. Let's review the main features. Careo Control offers antivirus scanning for web traffic as part of its firewall. It's not a difficult antivirus to configure. It's up and running when you accept the standard checkboxes. You can still predefine the HTTP and FTP scanning and email scanning if you'd like, but Unlimited Network Security offers more advanced sources to manage that. It's also simple to enable the intrusion detection and prevention system. Again, you simply click the checkbox. You can immediately see the benefits of the intrusion detection and prevention system in operation through the logs and security logs. It makes visible all of the traffic that is being blocked. You can see where the attack comes from, why it was blocked, and if it was a blacklisted site, plus more. Let's look at the setup with remote devices. As with other capabilities, it is easy to configure Careo Control. You also have the option of using My Careo, which enables you to control and change the configuration of the product from anywhere. And you can also manage multiple Careo Control appliances at the same time. You don't need to have a VPN for that. Unlimited Network Security offers site-to-site VPN and also a VPN server with Careo Control. We support IPsec, which is an industry standard for VPN communications, and we also have our own proprietary protocol called Careo VPN. Careo VPN is extremely easy to set up. You can complete the work with the server in a matter of minutes. Then users can connect through the VPN client in a matter of seconds. You can manage all of the VPN clients in the status. If we go to the VPN clients, you can see the VPN clients listed here. The last feature we'll cover in Careo Control is its content filter. Now that you have secured your network perimeter, Unlimited Network Security can start to secure your traffic with content filtering. The content filter adds a significant layer of security because it can block malicious applications or malicious websites. As administrator, you can block these for your users, preventing them from accessing them and avoiding user mistakes that may lead to a downloaded virus. The content filter consists of application awareness and the Careo Control web filter. Content rules are easy to add and to understand. You can click on Add, Create, for instance, to block Facebook for Joseph. You can type in the detected content, which in this case is Facebook, in the application inventory and web categories. You can find over 500 different categories, but you can expand this and choose what you want to treat differently. In this case, I'm going to use the fast search. I'll look at Facebook. And done. I have the content, and then I only need to specify the source. The source is basically who is using that application. It could be an IP address, or a group of IP addresses and/or users. The users are easy. If you're going to specify the rule per user, then a user will have this rule no matter where he or she will go, no matter what computer is being used. When users log in, they take all of the policies with them. The users come from a local directory or Open Directory or Active Directory. Once this is done, the last thing we need is the action. So over here, we want to drop the traffic, and once done, we'll apply, and now Joseph won't be able to access Facebook. This is a key benefit of your integrated network security, and this feature has considerable options for granularity. Unlimited network security also includes advanced email threat protection with GFI Mail Essentials. In addition to web traffic antivirus capabilities, Unlimited network security protects email traffic as another source of threats entering the network. Because everyone typically has an email account in an organization, everyone is a potential target for attacks through email. It makes sense to have an advanced layer of security to guard email and ensure no viruses slip through to affect the end user. GFI Mail Essentials offers not one, but a collection of antivirus engines such as Siren, Kaspersky, Avira, and Bitdefender. In each engine, you can choose which email will be scanned, and if it's inbound or outbound. You don't want to spread malicious content, and also need to prevent personal or private data from leaving your network. The antivirus engines can have different actions set up. You can choose to delete an item, quarantine it, or send a sanitized copy of the original email to the recipients. If you want, you can notify the administrator, which I recommend, or you can notify the local users. The antivirus engine is only as strong as its definitions, so it's a good idea to keep everything up to date. Unlimited network security also offers you the ability to scan and protect endpoints. This part of the security solution is delivered by GFI LANguard. LANguard scans your network and will discover all of the devices, Linux-based, Windows, or Mac. After further scan, it will also tell you which of those devices are vulnerable. These devices could be a potential weak spot in your network. This is made visual in the application, showing you the top vulnerable computers. With vulnerabilities identified, you need to treat them as soon as possible. Here, we see all of the vulnerabilities across the system, and if you go to Patches, then you'll see all of the missing patches across the whole environment. Fixing missing patches is easy. Choose the computer or the group of computers. You can see which patches are missing. Okay, this is the patch I want to deploy. It will create the remediation. You will verify and click on the remediate. That's it. After that, GFI LANguard will start to download the missing patch. Once it's downloaded, it will automatically deploy the patch, which we can see in progress. Connecting to the target computer, starting the service, and in a few seconds we should know that the patch deployment has been completed. This is how easy secure endpoint patching could be. It's an example of manual patching. GFI LANguard also offers automatic patching, taking one more task off your desk. The other value I'd like to highlight in this demo is compliance reporting. With GFI LANguard, you can find standard compliance reports for the payment card industry, data security standard reports, HIPAA, Sarbanes-Oxley Act, ISO 27001, and more. These are vital to keep your organization secure and demonstrate its security compliance. The reports may be generated as required, or they could be scheduled. Let's say we need to generate a vulnerability status report. We simply choose the report, click on Generate, and it will create a report for the specific computer or a specific group of computers. In this case, I'm creating a report for a single computer with the IP address 10.10.14, and the report consists of 2 pages. We can also generate the same report for the entire organization. We click on Generate Report, and in a matter of few seconds, we can see the information displayed. How many are vulnerable? And this is definitely more pages. We can see it's going to be about 75. These reports highlight the information you need to prioritize your security efforts, as well as show clear evidence of the technical safeguards required to be compliant. Unlimited network security secures your network perimeter by preventing, detecting, and fixing threats that enter or exist in the network. It protects network traffic by scanning for openings and filtering traffic for threats. It protects endpoint operating systems and software from being exploited, and it ensures continuous visibility and reporting of threat levels. A simple antivirus program will not protect your employees, your customers, and your business. Easy to use and affordable multi-layer security will. That's unlimited network security from GFI. Learn more at gfi.com.